So we're gonna program your ollies. Look who came to play.
This is not so bad. Oh no!
Bro! All right guys, today we're here with
Damien.
and he's going to do a
Ollie
over an obstacle.
My bad.
No, that was good. What do you mean?
Over an obstacle.
Over an obstacle. Okay, so first things first, ollie on flat.
Okay.
He's like, why do you put me through this?
No.
You wanted to come skate. He's like, never again.
After everything we've been through, after the grand journey that we've had.
Yes.
Oh God. My knees are tired now.
His knees are tired.
I played basketball for like 5 hours
It's all about the basketball, okay? He's not Steph Curry.
There we go.
See? First try! Okay, so now, that was good. Now, you gotta do that rolling. We're gonna pick a crack.
Any crack.
This one right here. And roll and ollie over that.
Can we do this crack?
Yeah, that
Just
one.
because I feel like I'm gonna get lost.
Totally.
I'm
I had the same thought.
I'm not gonna know where it is.
But you won't get lost there.
All right, ollie with speed, not my favorite.
Ollie with speed. Keep your shoulders straight. I feel like that's the first thing he's doing wrong. Keep your shoulders straight. Okay, first try. You scared? What's going through your mind?
Cheeseburger.
Yep.
That was the first thing that came through my mind.
Okay. Oh, first try. So one thing to notice is he does do frontside 180s often. So his shoulders just inclination, he has an inclination to turn the shoulders. And I'm trying to get him to not do that, so he just goes straight. So you're trying to ollie over an obstacle, you need the direction to go forward over the obstacle.
I think that's just like a bad habit of mine because I'm trying to protect myself, but I don't need to worry that much.
Exactly.
Shockingly, this is getting easier.
Okay, so
we're gonna destroy it. No,
we're not gonna destroy it. We found this game, Codemasters, a programming logic game. So we're gonna program your ollies. But I have a good idea. You ready?
Okay.
You ready?
Okay. We don't even know what's inside. We literally found this on the park bench. There's a map book, bro. I feel like we almost gotta just.
Here.
This game looks cool, man. I don't want to destroy it. I want to take it home.
You're not gonna destroy it.
I want to learn how to program.
You're gonna ollie over this, then you're gonna learn how to program.
Okay.
This is cool. So there's a little guy in here. He's clearly programming logic.
It's like Minecraft.
And then there's a thing in here. What is that?
I have no idea.
And then these little things, but clearly there must be lots of missing pieces.
Maybe, I don't know.
There's some stickers, Minecraft-esque stickers. Okay, you're gonna roll up to the obstacle. Your eyes are gonna be on the obstacle the whole time. And then to start, you barely even need to pop. You literally can just go like this. It can be the tiniest little pop.
Okay.
And you're gonna make it over it. And then from there, we can get into a little bit of a higher ollie, right? But the thing to understand is you need speed and it's timing, speed and timing, and you're gonna make it over.
Oh God, no.
He's like, I feel pretty warmed up. You just rolled straight over it. Okay.
I touched it, but
Let's analyze this.
I think I went over it.
Here, look.
Did I touch it? I think I touched it. I did touch it.
Your front wheel's a little bit. So you gotta pop
Jump
earlier.
a little bit earlier. But I did make it over it.
Oh yeah, I'll watch. Ba-do-do.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Do-do-do.
That's not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
Oh God, I touched
Bro.
it. I destroyed it.
I thought we were playing this game. You're trying to ruin the book.
I told you I was gonna ruin it.
Pop earlier.
Yeah, I know. I just gotta go faster.
Okay, okay. Look who came to play.
Was that better?
Yeah.
That's kind of scary.
Was it?
Just a tiny bit because I went faster.
I thought I had it on slow-mo, but I guess not.
That's okay.
You popped early, made it before, popped it good.
Hey,
Look at that.
I made it over it.
Look at that.
That would have been over the box, actually.
Okay, do it again. I'm gonna slow-mo now.
Not high enough for a curb, but it would have been over a box.
Well, I think you can get a curb.
I probably could if I did this a bunch more, and then I got really used to it, and then I bent my knees more.
Yeah.
Because I just like threw it. I just would like quickly wanted it out of the way.
Yeah.
But I feel good. I feel good. It's silly, like it's only like this flat piece of thing that I could roll over, but it's not. It's pretty long. like so to make it over, it feels good.
First try. Let's check. Now we're like slow-mo. Yeah, on your way in. So that means you got to pop earlier. Give it more time on the earlier pop.
Okay. Well, this is good training for me. I don't know, I'm having fun now. This is not so bad. Not yet at least, not yet at least. Oh no!
Bro!
No! No! The program book.
Behind wheel at landing.
No! Oh shoot, I moved it like super far. Oh, not fast enough.
Yeah, more speed is easier.
Ah, I touched it again.
Yeah, pop earlier.
I'm sad. I did it and now I can't do it.
You can do it.
And I didn't even do it that fast last time. Now I'm like all over the place. All right, here we go. Oh, I touched it again. Ah,
Man, what did Minecraft do to you?
nothing, sadly.
Nothing to you, nothing for you.
It's embarrassing
about-
I keep missing it.
It's all about the speed and the timing. Yeah. Okay, let's analyze this. Let's check this out.
I think I would have rolled on it still.
No, you didn't. It was good.
I didn't go like, I think I would have rolled on it still. Oh no, actually, wow. Hooray, that was like the best one.
That was good. Do it again. Yeah.
Trying to just like ollie next to it, but not on it. Oh, that was terrible. Oh God.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was faster, but I definitely rolled over it and scraped it.
Oh yeah, you did. Yeah, try and keep your shoulders straight. Try and not turn. It'll help.
I'm trying, but I don't know how to break that habit.
Yeah. You gotta like counteract and purposely like push it the other way.
Do you have like any advice? Should I just go home and do 100 ollies and just stay stiff?
Like try and do almost a little bit of a backside 180, if that makes sense. That's like a counter the other direction. Yeah,
It's weird.
it is weird, but
Might
it
have
helps.
to though. How's that one?
It's good. Okay, straight at it, just gun. And then just do a little pop. Just the tiniest little guy. Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
Why?
Why are you bailing?
I don't know. That was embarrassing.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Push towards it, eyes on it the whole time, ollie early. Early. Yeah, that was good. I think that was your best one.
I hope. I don't know. It is getting easier though.
Yeah, the more you do it, the better it's gonna get.
It's weird. I don't know if this is a fair assessment to say, but I am getting tired. But I was gonna say, I feel like it's getting easier. It's less scary.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, because I'm tired, my ollies are kind of getting worse. but it is like it is feeling like it's a lot easier. I'm like, oh, I'm not so like worried to jump over it.
Yeah.
Obviously, I could just roll over it if I wanted to, but I'm trying actively to jump it every time though.
I don't think your ollies are getting worse. I just think it's the timing thing. Like try and focus on even like trying to ollie extra early.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go and then just follow my lead. When you ride up to it, where are you looking?
I'm looking at the first part of it.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, look at this guy. What time is it? Why didn't I slow motion that? That was good.
Thank you.
Okay, now you know what they say.
2 to make it true.
2 to make it true. Here, I'll go first, follow my lead. Run in, bend your knees, pop early, land. Yeah. Okay, run it back. I gotta film the slow-mo for him. I feel like he doesn't even believe that he's getting over it. Yeah.
Oh no, I rolled on it.
Look at how far you cleared it by though.
Yeah, I went a lot faster.
Double.
I just barely touched it though.
Okay, why don't you do it again?
But I went faster. I told you I'm getting more comfortable just because we're doing it 100 times.
Yeah, well that's how you learn. This is skateboarding.
I gotta do one of these like
Yeah. Biebelheimer, it's called. Yeah.
No, I can't reach it. Too low. I'm too stiff.
It's almost exactly the same. Pop earlier. Pop extra early. Yeah.
I tried.
Okay,
I tried to pop earlier. I don't know if that was earlier or not.
Again, almost like literally exactly the same. Watch.
Oh no, I touched it. All right, I got it. I'll pop earlier.
Barely though, barely touched it.
Oh my God.
I think that was good. Let's check it. Okay.
Is that better?
I like it. I think we're good.
Oh God, finally.
I think that was a make. Okay, ready? Watch. Go.
Well, I didn't touch it.
I tricked him.
Yeah, you moved it further.
I moved it further away from the crack.
I noticed that. I was like, it's further away.
Okay, I think that was good.
I'll try it again. If I don't get it this time, I'll take that one.
Yeah.
I don't think I cleared it though.
I think you did. Beep.
Barely did I touch it though?
I don't think so.
Hooray.
Not at the beginning. Okay.
Hooray.
So all of the people out there that have never ollied over anything, what advice do you have for them now that you did it?
Go get a board game, especially this board game.
Minecraft exclusive.
And just ollie over something flat that you can roll over.
Believe in
and
yourself.
have somebody that can film you, because then you can see if you make it over or not.
Or put your camera down and put a tripod on it and just...
That's actually a good point. Use, like, if you have an extra pair of shoes, put your phone like in the shoe, use a rock or something, get creative. If you have one of these phone stands.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Use one of these. Anything, get fancy with it, you know what I'm saying?
You guys can learn how to ollie and learn how to ollie over an obstacle. And once you get here, you can then take it to ollie over a curb, up a curb. And then from there, you can cruise around. The world is your oyster. Go wherever you want and have fun learning how to ride a skateboard. If you want personal coaching, I got you. Join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. We'll see you in the next video.